Your boy from there. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So guys, I'm currently going to the Jumia office close to me to pick up a parcel. I got this selfie stick tripod. I got it on Jumia, so and I opted for self pickup, so that's why I'm going to come along with me. I just came back from Jumia office and I want to do an unboxing for you guys. I know what is in there. It's my tripod I ordered for, a selfie stick tripod I told you guys. So let's unbox it together.
Do something. Don't just be silent. Do something. Save us this environment. A man whose house.
I'm looking for this kind of tripod for so long now. I have like a short tripod, 𝦸Say tripod I got from AliExpress. I have that, but I'm creating vlogs a lot these days, so I got that because I was doing sit down video a lot then, so and for vlogging outside, but I'm creating a lot of vlog around my house. I need like a selfie stick tripod. My professional tripod is enormous. It has this three-leg kind of, it has this three-leg situation, so that when you are vlogging around the house, you need flexible, move your tripod to different angles. That cannot cut it for me. I cannot move my tripod to be that one, so I opted to buy this. And I went on Instagram to buy this particular tripod, and they are telling me plenty more. So I had to go on Jumia. Luckily for me, I went on Jumia, the one that the price is slashed. The same tripod, but the price is actually slashed. So I jumped. I did not just walk into it. I jumped on it and I got it. I'm not going to tell you guys the price I got it. I don't want to be, anytime I buy something in this channel, that I have told myself that I don't want to be saying prices of things I've got, because I want people to watch my videos. I want people to be able to just watch my video and not feel some sort of way, because I feel like there's no need telling people price of something, because the only thing I can do is to tell you the name, then you go and search for the price elsewhere and know if you're going to get it or not. So this tripod is going to be a game changer for me, because my content at home will be now very flexible. I can move my camera if I can get those area view. I can just, when I'm going out too, I can take it because it's portable. I can put it in my bag, take my selfie, make my videos, and everything will be alright. So it's this long tripod. As you can see, it has this detachable remote, handheld stabilizer. So let's unbox. And it also has a selfie light, hand grip, expandable tripod. It has all this. It has this dual selfie light. So let's unbox. So it has this paper thing, and on Jumia it was written K28 tripod. So some things fell out when I brought it out. The charger, this selfie light. So let's take a look at the tripod. You guys, if you see the kind of scrutiny I did before I bought this tripod, I had to carry my measuring tape to measure. When they tell me it's 45 inches, 45 cm long, I took my tape and measured what 45 cm is to know if it's long or short tripod before I'll go and get what I ordered versus what I got. And what I ordered is actually what I got. Jumia, you people tried. You did a good job on this one. So I did self pick up. I want to pick it up myself. This is our tripod. You guys, it has a remote control here, a Bluetooth shutter to take pictures. I'm loving it. This is where the phone will be. This is for landscape and for portraits. But this is not the one that is even making me, it's monkeying me. Like, see this one, I can now make videos this way. Like when I want to make videos this way, I can now do that. And this is our Bluetooth shutter. So what I want to do now is to check for the length of the tripod. This is where my mind is, the tripod length. Okay, wow, you guys, the tripod is long. It's actually long. Wow, it's lightweight. It's as tall as me. And you can shorten it. So I found out that this is the charging spot in the light.
Your boy from there. You say you got another man. Say you know me, okay. The kind way when I feel that day, me I never feel okay. I'm walking over through like this, so I know your friends don't like my beat, but you follow say this kind thing be deep. You know I do again. I nobody stop you. I nobody stop you. Just let me know if you know I do again. I nobody stop you. I nobody stop you.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, saucy.
Don't call me back. When you see say I don't know with another person, baby, don't call me back. Not call me back. I give you 6 months of grace. That girl we see last night, no mind to take your place. I even let you know who you. But they did more than you. But not game with time level be this. So let me know if you don't want to again. I know go stop you. I know go stress you. Let me know if you don't want to again. I know go stop you. I know go stress. Don't call me back. Don't call me back. When you see say I don't deal with another kid, don't call me back. Don't call me back. When you see say I don't deal with another kid, don't call me back. If I give you love, man, don't go rest. Your boy from there.